Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Om Ajnana Timirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Namah. Dear devotees, welcome to you all. Today we are going to talk about Action Learning Project 10. This is one of the last projects that we'll be doing, last assignment that we'll be doing in this journey of strategic planning. So that also shows that it's an important deliverable. Today, this session is the Teach to Learn. That means whatever I have learned from the GBC College instructor or course head, I will be explaining to you what we need to do, what is it about, and then we'll take some questions, and then we'll also agree on the action points. So, few important points is that this is a different kind of an assignment in the sense, first is it is a last assignment. So obviously that itself will have some kind of a significance. And till now, what happened is whatever we have been doing, we are reviewing ourselves and our assessor is going to review. Or our evaluator or whoever is reviewing, he was giving his comments and scores. Whereas the output of this assignment will now be viewed by a bigger audience. The output of this assignment will go to Sriola Prabhu, the Yatra leadership, and then we have to present this to the GBC College reviewers in Ujjain in the week starting from 10th. So in that way, this is the first time whatever we have been doing all these days is now coming to be seen by somebody outside. So in that way, this assignment is a bit different. First thing is it is last, and is the only assignment, the output of it is seen by other people. So it's in that way, it's a crucial. Third important point is we have crossed so many milestones, right? From building team to strategic foundation, understanding that mission, audience analysis, best, strength and weakness, SWOT, key result areas, goals and action plans. So very logically, we can say that this assignment is basically culmination or collation of all the 9 things. So we are not inventing anything new here. We are just collating and presenting in a way it has to be presented. At the same time, we also need to know that this is not a cut and paste exercise, because 2 reasons. One is that this is going to be seen by others, so it cannot be just cut and paste, and it is going to be challenged. And it's a very high level thing. And in the GBC College course, they also said that these strategic plans are typically shown not only within the Yatra, typically they are also supposed to be, if there is a need, we have to share it with other stakeholders and donors if you want. If you are trying to seek any donations or gifts to our project or the Yatra, we need to show this. So that way, this document needs much more professional appeal and articulation. So it's a collation. It's nothing new that we are inventing, but the way that we are going to put is that. So that's why we may need some iterations and contributions and challenges when we do this. Yeah, the thing is called strategic plan. The deliverables are a presentation, a 10-minute presentation that we have to do at the GBC College, and a document that we need to submit as a strategy plan. So good thing is that for both these, GBC College has given enough guidance on how to make it. So I will today share with you those templates and samples so that we get an idea. So are there any questions so far?
No, Prabhu, it is clear.
It's clear? Ready?
No,
Ready?
Prabhu. No questions.
Ready for the challenge?
Yes,
Okay.
Prabhu. With
Good.
your leadership, yes.
No, no, Mataji, there's no leadership. I'm a survey.
Yeah, I agree with Radhamat Mataji.
Okay, so this is the template. Very nicely they give to detail the strategic plan of your project. Can someone read this, Prabhuji?
Yes, Prabhu, Hare Krishna. GBC College ALP Assignment 10. Purpose: to detail the strategic plan for your project, temple, or region or area of focus. To consolidate the findings arising from the strategy formulation phase into a document. The strategic plan is a written document of the direction you would like your project to move in based on your internal and external assessments. It includes some basic components, starting with a broad overview and culminating in a concrete set of actions and how to effectively measure our performance.
Yeah, that's good. So basically here they have given a very interesting, good diagram. Mission, why we exist. We all gone through this mission, mission and values, vision, key result areas, strategic objectives, goals, actions. So the one thing that's coming new in this is how do we measure our targets? So for this whole document, they've already given some pieces of information that we need to collect. Summarize and consolidated your work carried out LP assignments 1 through 9 into the following sections. Our foundation, refer to your deliverable in ALP assignment 2. Step 6, I have already put it. I need some formatting needs to be done, but I'll do that and send it to you. And then mission, what is your mission statement? We have to put it. This is not the document itself. This is the information that you are collating to prepare the document. Document template will come later. And then vision statement is there. I've already filled. So then the situation analysis is there. Refer to ALP 456. And we have a comprehensive list of our strengths, opportunity, threats, and weaknesses. What are our key result areas? And what are our strategic objectives? It is there. And then goals. So in the goals, basically assignment 9. So what is our what are our action plans are there? And then and the next topic came, next session is the strategic scorecard. So basically here they're giving an example for a university. These include a number of top ranked programs, departments, amount of nature of faculty hiring, etc., etc. So basically I'm putting a note saying the target deliverables are given in the action plan itself. And hence measurement of the realization of action plan can be detailed with milestones, following out some of the examples. And I have created one. I'm not pasted, I'll just show. What I've done is, so this document is more or less ready. I'll send it to you. And then we'll go to the, how do we use this to prepare a kind of a running document. Maybe this, I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So this is now, this looks a bit different, you see. Now, it has got a start and end. Okay, this is action plan, this is start, and what are we going to do? How are we going to measure? So even though this is, some of this may be one of our target, so these are the deliverables that we need to see to progress the things. So I'll slightly change the color from the target date, and this is the target date. So I should have a different color, but that shows that how the whole action plan is measured. So this is almost ready. I'll fix this thing, and so in that way, if you have any doubts on this, I'll take a pause and take questions. Otherwise, I'll go to the templates. So silence means I presume that there are no doubts, right? So now I'll show you them again. So we need to see. So here it's a guideline that they have given. This is a template that we need to follow. It's only a 10 minutes presentation, and they've given some notes below. Okay, and okay, then so in this we have to basically say what's our project, where are we, what are this, and all these details are already we have. Okay, this is another sample of how is there, and then what is our mission. These are where we need to. We have already the visuals, but we'll further do. And I requested Rasikan and the Prabhu to come to RS with a high resolution camera, so we can capture some of our devotee care related things. And then another sample of doing this. It's very simple, you see. And then another sample vision they've given. Another sample vision they've given. The core values of the project. What are the core values that we have also adhered to? And then if competitor analysis needed or not needed, it's an optional thing. So what's your SWOT analysis? How we do it? Different models are there. I want to make this very simple instead of using this kind of a workload, because our team is also very small. And then what's the strategic plan? Key result areas of the strategic plan. And then another sample of key result plan. Another sample of the key result strategic plan, and then strategic objective. And then what is ultimate thing? Ultimate key headlines. These are basically, in my opinion, key result areas. This is one sample based on which we need to build. I'll try to work on this and get your inputs, hopefully, because we need to finish this by 30th at least. So I need to spend some time and give you this. And then if you see here, okay, we have seen this thing, right? Okay. And then this, I think we have seen it before. This is one, we can see one of the presentations of, so you're able to see. So the template that what we have seen is current one. This is the previous year, so it may not exactly follow the template, but more or less you can see. This is the actual report. Okay, this is where I wanted your photographs. I have got all. I have to just follow from Pundrik Prabhu. So if you agree, what I wanted to do was somewhere in one side, I wanted to put Prabhupada's picture. Yeah. And our respective Guru Maharaja's pictures. Yeah. And then somewhere here, I'll put a line here and then put Sriola Prabhu as a guide. Yeah. Is it okay? Is my suggestion okay?
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhuji. Okay.
That makes it complete. And then mission, this is how they put, vision they put, values, SWOT, goals, aim, some figures, and what went well and what didn't go well. So lessons learned, and then that's it. So it looks simple, but it may take some time because as you all know, these things take time, even though they look simple. And this is another sample. In that way, it's good that GBC College has given us all guidance. So this is how it should be actually in the current format. So it should have an executive summary, mission, vision, and all. So they've given a template for this also. So it's as simple as that, and then the signing. So you see, the document is also not very big in the core content wise, and some articulation of this, and there are some appendixes. So that's all. So it's a collation, a creative collation, and a nice way. This is a very simple way of doing aim centering. We can also come with some activities like that. And then this another sub template. I think that we have seen this. Okay. So our task is cut, very clear. Collecting that we have already assembled one. So now I have to take, I want to first make the document first, and presentation we can make it. So documentation is they've also given a very good guidelines on how what we need to put and how to do that. And documentation, once we do it, we need to format it and make it slightly professionally looking. And then cross check. And also if there is any course corrections that we need to do with our aims, goals, action plan, we can do that. So this is how it is, devotees. So if you have any questions, do let us know. Are you hopeful that if I give the inputs by 29, you can review it? At least by 31st, we can finalize it, because first we will all be busy. What I'll be requiring from you is your value add inputs, most likely. And then we can go, because first everybody, I think some of us will be very busy. So we'll try to finish it by maximum 31st. So that then I can go through that thing couple of times more and then submit to Sri Prabhu. After taking, see, physical signatures may not be possible for us because we are all very, very far off from each other geographically. So we can get the email approvals and then we can go ahead. So in a way, it's very, it has been a good journey. And so let's continue this work and let's finish it. So I'll also show another important thing.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yeah.
The one you sent us, no, a few days before.
That is actually 9, Prabhu.
Pardon?
Yeah, sorry, continue.
The one you sent us before, no? And we reviewed and given some
Yeah.
feedback, no?
Yeah.
That one we are not going to submit, no?
Already submitted, Prabhu.
Okay.
Already submitted. Last week itself I submitted. So if I show you again to make it clear. So if you see tick mark here, you're seeing tick mark?
Yes, yes.
We have submitted. So now we are here.
But
And
that one we didn't submit to Shrivala Prabhu, no?
so this we don't have to. 9 we don't have to.
Oh, okay.
So from 1 to 9 is all ours.
Right.
10 is what Srila Prabhu will see. Okay.
Yeah.
And that is one thing. Clear, Prabhu?
Yes, Prabhu. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll make the document. I'll make the PPT, and we can have we must have a discussion somewhere before 31st, and then we can finalize it. And that's all. So in that way, the direction is straight. Thanks. GBC College has given us very good templates to fill and do this. Just in case where we need additional professional look, we have also roped in one other team member, Rohit Prabhu. Some of you may be knowing, is a professional copywriter and a content writer. So I have given him all the documents till now. He's just reviewing it. So once we make the presentation document and PPT, he will also go through it, and probably he will give us some definite value add in terms of this. And also I've discussed with Punrik Prabhu, who is not here today. Punrik Prabhu is encouraging me to use ChatGPT also to take the help to professionalize the statement, which I said I will try to do if I feel the need and if there's a time available. I'll definitely use the modern techniques. We also have to learn, use the modern technologies, right? So I can do that. It should not be a major challenge for me, but I will try that also. So ChatGPT input will be there. Hopefully Rohit Prabhu will value add, and your value add, plus whatever I put in. I think we should be able to make it. So till I submitted Action Learning Point, honestly, I was not very confident about what can be done, how can be done, because there are other commitments also for us to complete some courses. So I didn't book the ticket. So after submitting 9, I got little bit confidence and I now booked my tickets to join. So we all seek your prayers so that everyone goes through this. And if you have any other questions, I will stop the recording here. I'll just quickly say yes, no, that you have any questions or no. I will send this recording to our other team members who could not attend. Suguna Mataji is still not well, on and off flu. Pundrik Prabhu is quite busy. Yeah. And I'm not sure Murlichan Prabhu may be having a session or a visitor there. Yeah, he's very busy with the devotees who have come from Bangalore. I think Radha Madhav Masaji also knows that. So is there any other questions, Prabhuji?
No, Prabhu.
No, Prabhuji, it's fine.
No, Prabhu.
One very, very big thanks and my pranams, Dandavat pranams to all of you that we have come till this point. So let's see how we cross the last segment. After that, we have to finish some few courses and then next semester starts. So I'll just share and also take the opportunity to tell you. So that I think will start in February, if I'm not wrong. So here, if you see a presentation to Damodar Dash leadership, presentation to GBC College, approval from leadership to formation team. And here actually the semester 2 starts. It will go on, I think, for a month and a half, where we need to make some action, a real milestone-based measurement plans, prioritizing. So we have put so many actions, right, in our document. If you see, can we really do it? Is it worth doing it? So how do we prioritize? How do we put a weightage and calculate and come up with a shorter number of action plans? So that is a semester 2 that will start. That's already actually started, but I think the deadlines are in February, March, so we can do that. So after this, we'll definitely take a short break, where then we will be busy with doing the courses, asynchronous courses, and then we can regroup that. So we really seek your blessings and prayers so that we can complete. I'll stop the recording here. So we are ending the TTL session for Action Learning Point 10. So Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Rama, Hare Hare.